Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my traditional webinars on Tuesdays slash Mondays slash Saturdays, Fridays, and other weekdays. Today, as usual, I will explain you and share information with you in regards of our developments and basically do the short presentation of our products and a short intro about myself. So let's start. I hope you guys in a good mood. It's Tuesday, nice, beautiful weather, and the mood should be the same way. And hope you are with me. So let's start. My name is Greg Lyman, and I am CEO of QubitTech. As you noticed, I've done 3 successful IPOs. I've been involved in the fintech world since 20 years ago. And personally, I've raised more than $300 million for a project from the blockchain. And I've been nominated top 20 ICO by ICO Bench as a worldwide advisor, and I am an existing co-founder and shareholder of a famous digital Canadian investment bank called Digimax, which is a publicly trading company and which is basically holding the license of the digital and classical exempt broker-dealer securities. Thank you very much for this minute. For my introduction, for attention. So next slide, please. As we all know, the ongoing preparations to Dubai in a full speed. We're all coming there. Somebody comes early, somebody comes like at the 30th or 1st of October. I just want to remind you guys that we have an event, an official event of opening ceremony of our company, and it will take place in Dubai on the 1st of October towards the 4th of October in the beautiful luxurious hotel called Maidan. And we do have lots of interesting things, presentations, workshops, fun, presents, gifts, everything, like full package. So whoever is already sent us a copy of plane tickets, thank you very much for your cooperation. And whoever actually not yet done that, please make it fast, because it's already, I believe, 10 days or less than 10 days till we see each other in Dubai. So please make sure you send us this information, where I usually ask it on my all my webinars, right? So don't forget to send out the copy of the plane tickets, and we're waiting for you there. Thank you. Next slide. As you can see here, website is being updated as we speak, and almost every week we are updating our website. We're adding new features, we're adding new beautiful colors. The designers are like the best designers in the world. The color matching and the figures and all these things are very, like, up to the sky. So thank you very much, our IT team, for doing this. Thank you very much for support. Next slide, please. Now we have been actually exposed to the world in we'll have the QubitTech World News, and we are in the World News, and we have many. It's just basically start for us, but we are expanding, and our media support team are just growing, and the information about us just start coming towards the world. So that's why you will see our news all over the world on the main media platforms in the world. So that's what you can just see the slide. And the next slide, please. You will see our media partners, which is it's just starting, but we will add the partners as we speak. So basically, it's a very good platform, Irish Tech News. I've been working with this platform for like 3 years, I believe. Crypto Facile, Crypto News, Territorial. So all those guys are our partners. And as I mentioned, there more are coming. So you will see much more media partners for QubitTech in the nearest future. Thank you very much. Next slide, please. I'm glad to present that we have another office of our partners opened up in Istanbul, Turkey. Congratulations, guys. It's a great country, big market, nice people, beautiful Istanbul. So this office has been just opened recently. I congratulate you. And we keep opening offices. So next slide, please. Another office I actually have been congratulating guys in yesterday. It's opened up in Kazakhstan, the city called Kustanay. So it's actually a big city, number 3, I believe, in Kazakhstan. So this is very professional team, very organized office, very professional and smart people. Thank you very much, guys, for doing this, and thank you for support. Next slide, please. And on this slide, you can see the worldwide map where already the number of offices are growing tremendously day by day. So now we have 19 offices worldwide, and during next 2 weeks, as I usually say, we will plan to open up another offices in Moscow, in Great Britain, and Malaysia. So just keep watching us, keep following us, and you will see how fast we grow. Thank you very much. Next slide. Here, I just want to say attention to our supporters, partners who are holding webinars worldwide. I'm just asking you to use updated presentations, because there are some presentations been an old information, and there are some parties that didn't like us to present the old information and the information which is not up to date. So please make sure that we use for your webinars the updated presentations. Thank you very much, guys, for understanding and cooperation. Next slide, please. The QubitTech actually opening up for more and more now website in the native languages. So this website now in Korean, it's coming soon. So please follow us at this point. So you will see soon a Korean language in our website. Next slide, please. As I mentioned in the previous webinars, we have almost completed. We're just waiting for their like small approvals from Apple stores and stuff. For your convenience, we are implementing and releasing in October the mobile application for QubitTech. So just again, follow us at this point. Just within maybe, I don't know, 2 weeks, probably we will be releasing this beautiful and convenient application. Thank you very much for the IT team to support us at this point. Thank you. Next slide, please. So this slide, you will see again, I always say it's called the audience geography split, but basically this is the visitors that comes and checks our websites and platforms and news. So now we have, again, Russia is leading. That's great. There are many other countries joining and basically escalating the numbers. So yeah, you will see the developments from the time we started in June and up to basically yesterday. There are big difference now in terms of many new countries are coming, and many new countries are start using us and visiting us and work with us. Thank you very much. And here I'm proud to announce that for the next next slide, please. I'm proud to announce that here we have, as I mentioned last time, we are coming close to the 100 leaders in our platform as a partnerships. But now it's not even 100, it's already 93 plus 63. So it's like 150 something, like almost 160 leaders. We have been actually working with, and they join us, join our platform since 3.5 months, basically. So that's a great achievement for us and for all our partners. Thank you very much for your support. That you guys are looking into us, working with us, finding us very solid company, and we appreciate it. Thank you very much. So the numbers are growing. Next time, I believe I will announce much bigger numbers. Thank you very much. Next slide. We will be holding a very interesting webinar with a very interesting topic. It's called Evolution of Quantum Technologies, which will be presented by George Sebastio, which is the Chief Technology Officer of QubitTech. I just want to say that this gentleman is not only a friend of mine, but he is very well known as a professional cybersecurity and mathematician and a blockchain specialist since long time ago. So I suggest you guys just follow us for the further information in terms of when and where this webinar will take place. I assure you that would be a very interesting webinar. Don't miss. Next slide, please. And on this slide, you will see the statistics that in 2 weeks, basically the last 2 weeks, we held 15 webinars in 7 languages. Can you imagine the numbers? So the numbers are growing. There are more partners coming into the game, into the picture. And thank you guys for supporting me. So it's not only me who is now announcing news and our technology and our developments. Thank you for support. So there are many leaders are coming, as I just mentioned. And again, 15 webinars in 2 weeks. That's a great achievement. So we're growing. Thank you. Next slide. On this slide, again, you will see my picture surrounded by our partners. Partners who is holding webinars, some of them from our team, some of them not. So there are more and more coming. Nice, beautiful faces. Thank you very much for support, guys. Next slide, please. We have a new contest. It's called Lucky Robot. So this is an interesting contest. As remember, we've been having a previous contest with the winner of free trip to Dubai, which has been randomly drawn by myself a couple of weeks ago, I believe. Here we go. It's a new one. It's very interesting. So basically, the first place winner is gets an iPhone 11 Pro. The second prize is $300, and the third prize is $200. So again, you just need to go on your social media platforms, Instagram or Facebook or whatever, and put the hashtag QubitTech robot, and QubitTech the Lucky Robot, and explain why you join us, what's the developments with us and stuff like that. So a bit more information about your cooperation with us, about your support with us and stuff like that. So please don't miss it. And we're waiting for you to start this contest with us. Thank you very much. Next slide. We, as I mentioned, always short, we are a fintech company that are using a very interesting and prospective and promisable quantum technology to achieve the best results in algorithmic trading. So McKinsey & Company says that basically by the end of 2025, the quantum technology market will reach $1 trillion. So that's what's going on, right? So please make sure you follow the McKinsey & Company. Next slide, please. Here we go. This is a start team, which is I always say start team. I always say the people who are joining us in our core team are very famous people, very hardworking people with a good reputation. You can check out the information about them in internet. It's open source. I will briefly explain who they are, maybe in the next webinars. But here I just want to say that, as I always said, that my one of my friends who is Mark Swickel is the key person, the Wolf of Wall Street. This gentleman has tremendous experience in investment banking. He worked in New York, in the famous financial institutions. He is doing great job, hard working, team member. He is our chief marketing officer, and he is actually like a multitasking chief of marketing officer. He's done many great things for the company. Thank you very much, Mark, for your support. You are professional. You are not only just a good friend, but you are, really wolf of the Wall Street. So thank you, Mark. So the next slide will tell you about the platform strategy, operational strategy. As I always mention that we have a very smart strategy. Algorithmic betas is it's going into the 33%. Traditional method is 27%, and other operational methods is basically 40%, which includes sales of licenses, patents, and other software. I always say that we are very professional and good at and quantitative analysis and quantum technology and algorithmic developments, financial advisory, software developments, patent development. So all of those achievements and expertise there, we are very good at. We're a professional team. So the next slide will show you our patents, registrations of our companies worldwide, and our insurance paperwork. So you are welcome to check this information in our website. It's called Documents. You go there and you check all the documents that we present there for you guys to observe. The next slide will tell you about the open source statistics, which is TradingView. You will see that it's an independent source where you can see what's going on, what's new, how we perform, what's the price of Bitcoin or whatever, like analytics. So it's open source, public analytics. You can always check information about us. You're more than welcome to do this. The next slide, please. We have just a brief about our product. As I usually say that we have two kind of products. It's trading robots called via API and the digital license. So basically, robots gives you 7% result per month, and the digital license give you about 25% result from per month. So a bit detailed information on the next slide about trading robots. We have two kinds of robots. It's a flat robot and a trend robot. So you can rent them for $390, or you can combine them, and it will get you a cheaper deal for $624. And I always say that you guys better just invest $1,000. Put it in the digital license $1,000, and then you can get free robots, so you can do your own trading on Binance or BitMax using your own robots for free. So you don't have to pay us any rent. On the next slide, you will see the digital license performance and explanation, a bit detailed information. So we have a bronze to platinum licenses for anywhere from 100 USDT to 100,000 USDT. So you can definitely, choose your own package, and as soon as you reach 250% result, the package will be deactivated, and you're free to choose your new package and start work with us again. The digital license on the next slide, you will see that it's 250% total result. Every day you can withdraw. Every day you can put it in. Minimum withdrawal it's a 10 USDT. So the result usually is 25% per month. So that's a bit detailed information about our digital license. On the next slide, I always say and mention that we are supporting our partners worldwide, as you just mentioned. As I just mentioned, 19 offices so far has been opened worldwide. The offices are being open as we speak, and will be ongoing and openings of the offices. So we are supporting you guys and partners. We pay for the expenses. We cover the marketing costs and stuff. So basically, we're all in support. Please work with us, and we will support you. And we're always here to support. Thank you very much. Next slide. As I always mention, that we are in a process of distributing the payment solution QubitTech debit card, MasterCard, supported by DBS Bank. So again, for the information about this matter, just please contact our technical team via website. And on the next slide, it's just a bit short future plans, but I always says that we are building our ecosystem as we speak. We are going to be implementing our own blockchain pretty shortly. We are now getting more partnerships, including betting, gaming, and iGaming with the cryptocurrency platforms. There are many other features and partnerships are coming as we speak. So I will be announcing them on the next webinars. So we have a bright future. We are going into this. We work hard. As I always say, welcome to our future. Thank you very much for your attention today. And I wish you a productive and lucky week. And support us, be with us, be our partners. And thank you very much. Bye-bye.